Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be talking about plants and how they can increase Feng Shui in your home. First, let's start by defining Feng Shui. A form of Chinese geomancy that utilizes energy forms to create harmony between people and their environment.
There are 5 primary elements to Feng Shui: fire, earth, wood, water, and metal. Fanning plants can be symbolic of earth, water, and wood all at once. We're going to be focusing on increasing abundance, wealth, and prosperity through your plants and incorporating Feng Shui into your home.
A lot of people have a hard time upkeeping and deep cleaning their home, and a big part of this is having tired, lifeless spaces. Plants are a super easy way to fix this, along with purifying the air, relieving stress, and adding fulfillment and enjoyment to your home. You can buy plants specifically to attract abundance, wealth, prosperity, happiness, and wisdom.
Let's start with the things that can influence these things and the placement in your homes. One of the easiest and most common Feng Shui plants is bamboo. And lucky bamboo has actually been used for over 5,000 years. It brings peace and wise energy into your home, and they're super easy to grow. Just do not put them in a lot of direct sunlight because they will bleach and they will eventually die. Just want to try to do it.
Next up, we have golden pothos, a beautiful vining plant that gathers dead and toxic energy that can restrict positivity within your home. They're super easy to take care of. They can handle almost any light and prefer to be slightly neglected. They do really well for pretty much any kind of care, I'm going to be honest. And they do so well with neglect that all of these plants behind us here, I'm gonna show them off real quick. That's all golden pothos right there.
Yeah.
On a singular pot.
One pot. This list wouldn't be complete without mentioning spider plants. Not only are they best at purifying air, they also I couldn't figure out that word for 2 seconds. They also help alleviate stress and improve concentration. They can handle lower light settings and remove things from the air, such as carbon monoxide, xylene, and formaldehyde.
Next we have jade plants. There are a few varieties, as you can see. Oh my god. It almost ended up on me. Shit. They're great for bringing harmony, health, and initiation to your home. Initiate the soil all over me. They're succulent, so they need little water and lots of light. They're incredibly versatile as far as placement, attracting different kinds of luck depending on its placement.
Hedgehog aloes are up next, and they're good for burns and skin irritation, but it's also a cute and fun aloe that purifies the air, brings healing energy to your home. They're similar to succulents in the fact that they kind of thrive on neglect, lots of light and super light watering. This is just an aloe, and I'm gonna be honest, sometimes it's haworthias and sometimes it's aloe that's called hedgehog aloe. Ignore the snake plants in this pot. The aloe is what matters.
Yeah, there's climbing aloe, and then there's one that they call hedgehog aloe, which is down right there. But there's also haworthias, are also called hedgehog aloe, so it's kind of really hard to identify which one's actually which.
Yeah. Next up is the ZZ plant. It symbolizes... Sorry, let me try that again. Up next is the ZZ plant. Its symbolism entails growth, balance, dedication, and enhancement, although it shouldn't be placed near the front door. They like medium light at the lowest level, water every 2 to 3 weeks, and are also super easy to take care of. Great for first-time plant owners.
Money trees are also great for Feng Shui. They're a magnet for wealth, luck, prosperity, and abundance, and are best placed in the office or in the work part of your home. They're also pretty easy to care for. This is pretty large. Ignore this Pothos here. He's
not included
He's
in
not
the money
included.
tree.
He's
just there for
hanging
the
out.
ride. He's just growing with me. Oh.
Camellia plants also bring good luck, prosperity, and money to your home. They need a very well draining soil, bright and direct light, and to completely dry out. So they're kind of easy to care for, but they're also kind of fickle. You can tell that our Pilea is not the happiest. He's not the happiest Pilea plant. He's in here with some alternantheras, so he might need some better draining soil, but they're cute and super good for Feng Shui.
Next up is a 2-plant category because they have similar meanings and effects. They are rubber plants and peperonias and ficuses. They bring peace, calm, and positivity to your home. They like a good amount of moisture, no direct light, and are a bit harder to care for. These are peperonias.
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 And these
Sorry.
are ficuses.
Or rubber plants. It's also another ficus. It's just a small one. There are thousands of types of philodendrons that are so beautiful. And all require different types of care, but they're all mostly fairly easy. Because of the heart-shaped leaves, it's believed to add emotion and warmth to cold or dead areas of your home and attract abundance and relaxation. This is not a heartleaf philodendron, neither is that one, and neither is that one. But they are all philodendrons nonetheless. So they do add feng shui.
There's literally like a million different ways these guys. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
There's like a million ways these guys can look. They have so many colors and leaf shapes and pretties to offer.
Yep.
These are the last specific plant that we're going to talk about, and the only one that we actually all have an example for. I just want to throw it out there. The rest of the plants, the person sitting in the middle has had the example plant. The rest of us have not had the same types of plants other than like these and the jade plants. And the philodendrons were all philodendrons.
Yeah.
But they like a lot of humidity, bright and direct light. They are a bit harder to take care of, but they promote good fortune, and they come in the form of health, fame, money, and luck. And it depends on where you place them, and this is a Birkin in the background, so ignore this. This is a pinstripe, and they're like probably one of the prettiest plants in my opinion.
This is the Beauty Kim. A Maranta Beauty Kim, but it is a Calathea.
Orbifolia.
And they have amazing color on all of them. Like, look at that. Oh, that variegation.
The variegation on the Beauty Kims is so pretty.
Yes, I know. I love it. Wait, that one. That's perfect.
This one is an orbifolia.
They get huge
Yes.
too. They're beautiful as well.
Yes, they are.
Yeah,
I love the silver in them.
for real, really nice.
The list absolutely doesn't stop there. It includes aglaonemas, orchids, peace lilies, bromeliads, snake plants, and so on. But we wanted to give you a brief rundown of what some of the locations really mean.
Wealth and prosperity go in the southeast or rear left of your home. Fame and reputation pertain to the south or rear middle of your home. And relationships pertain to the southwest or rear right of your home.
Family is relevant to the east or middle left of your home. Health is obviously the center of your home. And children and creativity are the most pertinent to the west or middle right of your home.
We're just gonna stop. Okay. Knowledge and self-cultivation respond to the northeast or front left of your home. Your career relates to the north or front door, and travel and helpful people react to the northwest or front right of your home.
There are some general rules about plants and feng shui, but every plant, item, and person you bring into your home affects your feng shui.
If you guys would like more plant videos about Feng Shui, go ahead and comment below, leave suggestions, ask questions, etc.
You know, really good stuff to add some nice Feng Shui, like a little fountain or something. You know, like a little fountain that has like
Fountains can't be
steam
added
or-
for Feng Shui.
or fog coming off of it or some shit. You know, that's really nice. These things look really good. Those add some really nice Feng Shui to a house. I like those things.
They're really cool too. They really look nice in the home.
And if you have like the fog coming off, it'll definitely add some humidity. And the plants will be like, that's nice shit. I love it.
Please remember, stay kind to yourself, stay kind to others, and stay kind to our planet.
Thanks, guys.